Opening snap. The opening snap is a short, high-frequency sound which occurs after the second heart sound in early diastole. It usually follows the second sound by about 60 to 100 milliseconds. It is most frequently the result of the sudden arrest of the opening of the mitral valve, occurring in mitral stenosis, but may also be encountered in conditions producing increased flow through this valve, i.e., VSD or PDA. It is best heard between the apex and the left lateral sternal border, with the diaphragm of the chest piece firmly pressed. In tricuspid stenosis, or in association with increased flow across the tricuspid valve, as in ASD, a tricuspid opening snap may be heard. The tricuspid opening snap is loudest at the left lateral sternal border and becomes louder with inspiration. The following example was recorded from the apex of a patient with mitral stenosis. Now, compare a split-second sound to that of the opening snap. Note that the interval of the second sound split is narrower, about 30 milliseconds, than the distance between the S2 and the opening snap, 60 to 100 milliseconds. The split second. Now the opening snap. Let's also contrast the opening snap to a third heart sound. Note that the S3 follows the second sound by a longer interval and is lower in pitch than the opening snap. The opening snap. Now the third heart sound. The opening snap is best heard with the diaphragm firmly pressed, while the S3 is best heard with the bell lightly held.